Hi, I'm Brittany Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for June 27th. Orlando Health is selecting a new comprehensive electronic health record system for all of our facilities, and we want your input on vendor selection. These vendors are being considered for our new EHR Revenue Cycle and Population Health System, Allscripts, Epic, and Cerner. Over the last 3 weeks, these vendors have had the opportunity to demonstrate their system's capability to more than 1,000 Orlando Health team members and physicians.
I think it's very interesting to see the vendor demonstrations, not only what they have current state and in their live environments now, but also what their future roadmaps look like in regards to innovation.
These products that we're looking at are ones that can really help us take care of our patients with the tools that everybody else has in every other industry.
With the current medical system, it takes me about 10-15 minutes extra to complete a note, do orders on the patient. With the new system that we just saw, Epic and Cerner, it's a faster product. It saves me 10-15 minutes per patient. That saves me essentially 2-3 hours a day to focus on patient care instead of just sitting in front of a computer and doing my notes.
You're invited to take part in the selection process by viewing video demonstrations and sharing your feedback. Visit Swift or your site's intranet for additional information and to view the videos and take the survey by July 10th. Next, perfect for a healthy summer treat, check out the most recent Healthy You Minute, now on Swift, featuring a refreshing Tropical Twist Smoothie. And now that we've featured every letter in the PROMISE acronym, let's take a look back at some of the highlights from past segments of PROMISE in action.
It's been great to share what the team is doing to create meaningful moments with each other, with our patients, and their families. In case you missed them, I wanted to share a few of the highlights from the news review. You can make a difference by taking action in a no pass zone.
So we were able to get her safe, sit her down, so that way she didn't potentially have a fall. If I see a call light going off or if I'm on another unit, I try to answer it because it reflects on the organization as a whole.
Dan Thompson shows a lot of creativity with his patients.
I like to throw in a question like your favorite flavor of pie, and then I go through the computer and say, oh, apple, yep, that's you, there you go. And just that little thing helps throw them off of their routine and into more of a personal state.
And finally, Dr. Kelly and Jane Willis show that it's fun to be inclusive.
Build me a buttercup, baby, just to let me down, and mess me around.
These are just a few examples of what you do to put PROMISE in action. Keep up the great work.
And backed by popular demand, and just in time for the 4th of July holiday, stay tuned for next week's episode featuring bloopers from our show. That's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review. Thank you for making Orlando Health the best hospital possible. See you next week.